Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should be logged in and have administrative access. Once ready, inspect the laptop body for a dedicated wireless switch or an FN key combo that toggles radio. Open Settings on Windows via Start Then Settings or System Preferences on macOS. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi hardware appears enabled in Device Manager or Network pane. If hardware is disabled, re-enable it before changing airplane mode. This prevents software toggles from being ignored and gets you into the right control panel quickly. On Windows, click the Action Center icon or press Windows plus A, then click the Airplane Mode tile. Alternatively, go to Settings Network and Internet Airplane Mode and switch it off. On Mac OS, open Control Center and toggle Wi-Fi on, or visit System Preferences Network and re-enable the adapter. On Linux, click the Network Manager icon or run sudo rfkill unblock all to lift hardware blocks. Make sure wireless adapters reinitialize. Watch for network list repopulation to confirm radios are active again. Once airplane mode is off, select your Wi-Fi network and enter credentials if needed, and repair Bluetooth devices. If networks do not appear, open Device Manager or Network Settings to verify adapters are enabled. Make sure drivers show no errors. If still blocked, reboot the computer to clear firmware locks, reseat any removable wireless card, and update or reinstall network drivers. One key troubleshooting tip. Run the System Network Troubleshooter or sudo dmesc to check hardware block messages and address.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.